Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to integrate Instagram with Google Tools. If you want to integrate Instagram with Google Tools by adding your Instagram profile link to your Google business profile, embedding an Instagram feed into your Google sites, or using a third-party automation tools. So basically, you could add your Instagram link to your Google business profile by doing this. The simplest way is log into your Google account associated with your Google profile. After which you want to search for a business name. After which you want to search for a business name to find your profile. Then next to it, you want to click on edit profile and then scroll to a social profile section. After that, you want to select the Instagram icon and past and then Instagram and then scroll to the social profile section. Next, you want to select the Instagram icon and paste the URL for an Instagram account into your designated field. And that way you'll be able to click and you could go and save it to add your link to your profile. And that is how you could integrate Instagram with Google Tools. So likewise, you could also go and explore other options. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.